Good day, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday for me, so it might be Sunday or Monday for you that are watching this, depending on when I upload it. But today we're going to be rolling with some 6.0 content. I've got some work that I'm doing with the 6.0. These are just basically small maintenance items that I've been meaning to get to. So yeah, today's episode is going to be very short. Not short, I would say today's episode is just going to be very simple. It's going to be cleaning up the headlights. They are pitted and fogged and, you know, all that wonderful stuff that happens to our vehicles over the many miles and years of driving. So we're going to take a new product out for a spin to see how well it does and to see if it's worth it or not. And this is kind of the video that I'm going to be showing on a little bit about the product I'm using for this 6.0. First things first, let's go see what I'm going to use, and then we'll show you the process, how I'm going to complete the job. Alrighty guys, so here we go. We're going to use a silver wax product. I use this for the interior and everything, and it looks pretty good so far. This headlight kit is called Bright Now, and just basically your typical headlight restorer. I purchased this guy at Canadian Tire, which is our local parts retailer here. They're kind of a giant in Canada, and they have a whole bunch of automotive parts, everything. It's a big store. Anyway, guys, so I went there. It's about $40 Canadian, and didn't see any reviews on it, but it looked decent enough to buy. I have their interior cleaning products, which I was very happy with, so I thought I'd give this guy a whirl. So we're going to go show you the headlights after I kind of do an unboxing here, what you get with the silver wax headlight restorer. So basically you get the box. Inside the box, you're going to have your typical components for headlight restoration. Now this is what I like. It's basically a wheel where the sandpaper and the polisher gets attached to. This one here has a drill attachment, which I really like a lot better than some of the other ones, which are all just manual. You'll get your 3 pads for the sandpaper, different grit for different steps of the product. Then it gives you the polisher, again, once it's completed the job, and then it gives you your the actual coating and finishing steps along with a microfiber towel. So that's basically what the kit includes. And it's a full kit, so it should be a one and done. I'm just going to be doing the front headlights. Tail lights look like they're in good shape, so I'm not really interested in doing a full all-around job. It's just more or less for the headlights. And then again, the only thing it doesn't include, which they do recommend in the box, is some masking tape. So if you're with the drill, you don't get too close to the metal fenders or the surround chrome and then damage that, because that will damage it. So read the directions before you use any product, and you know, heed the manufacturer's suggestions and warnings. But anyway guys, let's go and take a look at the headlights, and then of course we'll do it before and after. And here we go with the good old 6.0. As you can tell, not sure how good that's coming out on the camera. It's got a lot of fog, a lot of, you know, worn out, just age-related UV ray damage type of headlights. Both of them are the same. Again, this is not a really good-looking headlight, and I'm hopefully, you know, all this pitting will disappear. We're gonna definitely take a look at it and check it out and make sure it is, you know, a product worth buying when it's in these conditions of this headlight. So again, not sure how good that's coming out on the camera. There's a better angle there for you. But anyway, this is kind of what we're going to look into and try to clean. So step 1 on the instruction is make sure the surface is washed and clean and ready for the application. So that's what we're going to do here first. Is I got the power washer out. Another Canadian Tire special, Simonized pressure washer. We're going to give it a foam bath. And then I'm going to just wipe it down. And then give it and then start the process with the headlight restorer kit. Alright everybody, just like that, she's washed, prepped, and ready to begin the process. So like I said, look out the directions and see what they suggest. Always follow manufacturer's directions. Okay, everybody, so we see that it's kind of hazy still, so I think this is where this step comes in. This is the wax applicator and then the buffing pad. Again, give it a good one and then just wipe it with the microfiber cloth that they have so gracefully supplied us. So, very simple. Put a little bit of here, close that up, put it on the ground, make sure the lid is closed, so if you kick it over, then before you turn it on, I would just spread a little bit. We'll now work it into the headlight. Alrighty, so that's basically the 1 second from the last step, and then now I'm going to get some microfiber and clean it up. Now, if it's still hazy and it's not good, I guess I can go in and redo it. Just spend more time with the sandpaper. But so far, it's not looking too bad. And that is basically the last step for what's in the box. So far, it actually does look a lot better. Now, if I learned any lesson doing my first headlight with this product, I would say I just need to spend a little bit more time with the sandpaper process, maybe just spend another few minutes on each one, and maybe just a little bit less water, just to get it moist, but not where it's really having some effect, and it might get a little bit more. But so far, actually, if you can come in and take a look, she's looking a lot better than the factory one on the other side. So again, it looks better than this guy, which is hazy. Not sure how well the camera's picking that up, but there's a lot of fog and haze in here. Well, guys, she's all done. It's completed, and the results are good. I mean, they didn't give me the results like brand new headlights. Didn't come back to be crystal clear. However, these are pitted, and I'm not sure some of the damages on the inside of the lens as well. But anyway, guys, let's go take a look at the product. Would I buy it again? Yes, I would. But you guys be the judge for that as well. Again, sorry if it's not coming up on the camera as good as it should. But anyway, guys, here we go. We got the good old 6.0. And she's looking good. Again, if you go up close, you'll still see, I'm not sure if you can see some of that fogging and hazing with it. So these lenses might need a little bit more work. Again, it said on the directions, repeat as necessary. This one's the worst headlight. I did shoot it a couple times, but I do notice an improvement. There's no doubt about that, but they're not exactly jewel looking clear as they should be. So I'm going to give it another shot with the sandpaper, I think. I'm not going to buy another kit. I think I'm just going to go with the 1000, 2000, 3000 grit, just new pads, and then shoot it again and do it another step. If not, then I'm going to calculate that these headlights are just a little bit too old to restore to brand new factory standard, and then we'll just have to go in and look for a new set of headlights. But anyway, guys, that's all I have to today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comments, of course, leave them down in the section below. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next episode of Cordetti Motorsports. You guys stay loose for now.